Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As promised, part 2 of my Sephora savings event sale haul. They have arrived, so if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So let's dive in. I am so excited. I have been waiting for you guys to dive into all the packages, and I did some damage this time, guys, and I had so much fun doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Thank you so much for those of you who already have. So let's get started. So Moonlight palette by Mario. I have seen so many pictures online. I thought, you know what, if I don't grab it, I will regret it, and then I'll buy it later and it will not be 20% off. So let's check this out. Stunning packaging. I love how pretty that is. Ooh, I really like that. What do you guys think? It's stunning. I feel like these shades are very wearable. I'm really into that. There's a couple darker, deeper shades. This I think would look beautiful as like an eyeliner. And of course you could always smoke things out with that one, but the rest are very wearable in my opinion. I love this. I am so glad I picked up the Moonlight palette. Okay, so here we have a classic goodie here. This is the Clinique Cheek Pop, and this is in the color Black Honey Pop. So let's see what that looks like. And I'm a huge blush fan. Oh goodness, that is so pretty. I love how it's got a gorgeous flower embossed right there. This to me looks like such a gorgeous kind of fall shade. So let's see what that looks like. Ooh, Black Honey. Yes, please. I am thrilled to have this little guy. So pretty. So next I picked up this great sort of gift set. I feel like this would be an amazing stocking stuffer or even a gift for someone. These are the 3 shades. The first one is Rosy Outlook. The next one is Melrose and Bitten. Let's see what those look like. And I love gift sets. I just feel like they're the most value for money. Let's see. Ooh, very pretty. So another goodie, kind of a stocking stuffer set would be this Buxom one. It's a $30 set and it is a $45 value. If you can get it on the sale, even better. But even without the sale, I feel like that's pretty reasonable for 3 decent size lip glosses. So this is the mini plumping kit. So here is the lip plumper. This is called filler, and it's just the clear. It's gonna plump up those lips. Next we have White Russian. This is one of the classic colors by Buxom. It continues to be one of their best sellers, and it is such a beautiful color. Then the third one is Sugar. And I feel like this one for fall is just a must-have. It looks gorgeous. So this is probably one of the items I am most excited about. This is by Valentino, and it comes with this adorable pink pouch. When I saw it online, I was like, yes, please. So this, in my opinion, would be an amazing gift for a mom, a sister, a sister-in-law, a best friend. This is amazing. It's actually prettier in person. I will say I thought it was bigger, but it's adorable. So here's the little pouch and nice little zipper. This is ideal to keep your cosmetics in your bag and just pull out your really beautiful Valentino pink bag. So nice. And then inside it has, okay, let's open this one first. This is the most beautiful set I have seen in a long time. Ooh, and it's even prettier in person than it was online. That is stunning, you guys. Talk about extra. This would be an extra gift for anyone on your list. That is beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, that's stunning. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. So this is in the shade 123R, and let's see what that looks like. Oh, wow. That is the most beautiful pinky nude I have seen in a long time. That is gorgeous. Okay, so here is the magnetic closure, and I absolutely love the pouch. But then even better, it comes with this refill, which I think is amazing. So let's put that there. And let's go ahead and open this up here. So this is just a refill. Isn't that amazing? Love this set. I just feel like it's so extra and so beautiful, and I'm here for it. Next is this NARS blush I picked up. This is in the shade Teased. I've just been on a blush kick lately. I just am looking for all the pretty blushes. I've always been a huge blush fan, and this seems to be my time for blushes. And this is Teased. I don't know, that just has the most beautiful kind of purpley tone to it. It's so different than anything I own. I always try to stop myself from buying the same old colors. Ooh, that is pigmented, you guys, super pigmented. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. You're gonna wanna be a little bit light-handed on it, but the shade, oh, and it blends, you guys, it's blending beautifully. So go in with a light hand, and then you can always add more. But isn't that gorgeous? Okay, thrilled about this one. Again, this is in the shade Teased. NARS has some amazing blushes. Can't wait to try this one. Okay, so I picked up 2 items by Tatcha. I have never tried Tatcha products, can you believe it? This is the Kissu Sleep Mask. It says a tinted lip treatment with moisture sealing squalene and Japanese peach extract for soft, pillowy lips. Sounds like my kind of lip mask. This is called Sunset Kiku. And the packaging on this, guys. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. It is stunning. I mean, if you're gonna do a sleep mask, get this one. It's beautiful. I think I'm gonna just put that on my dresser and stare at it all day long. It's eye candy. And evidently it does amazing things for your lips as well. So 2 for 1. And I'm really excited that I picked this one up. And if you're interested, get it during the sale. So next I picked up this gorgeous Tatcha set. This is a $63 value, $44 right now. And then if you're a Rouge member, you'll get an additional 20% off. If you're interested in a gift like this for someone or for yourself, I would recommend picking this one up. It's beautiful. It's super extra. I feel like it's super luxurious, and I am very excited. I saw this and picked it up when I did. This has, oh my goodness, that is stunning. So this packaging is super chic and simple, but gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, that is amazing. So this is Japanese peach lip jelly. Oh, that sounds divine. Yes, please. I'll take some peach jelly on my lips. So that is the sleep mask. Looks amazing. And then the next thing in this amazing set is the most gorgeous. Look at this packaging. Tatcha. And this is made in Japan. Let me see. It is called Plum Blossom. And this packaging. I am a sucker for packaging. This one is amazing. So this is the Kissu Lip Tint. So it's supposed to be moisturizing and luscious, but it's not going to be over pigmented because it is a lip tint. But that looks gorgeous. Super pretty color. So if you're interested, check this out. I'm keeping this one. Last item in this box is these little cuties by Gucci. These are the Gucci Flora line, the 3 different fragrances. I have this one here. It is amazing, you guys. I love this so much. I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try the other ones in this set. And this is the perfect size for it. So I thought now would be the time to try them out. If I end up loving them, I can always ask my husband for one full size for Christmas. So moving on to box number 2, and these are a little bit more luxurious, I will say. So let's start with the gorgeous Giorgio Armani. This is an amazing set. I would say this is probably one I am the most excited to try. So these gorgeous Giorgio Armani sets, the packaging is so gorgeous, especially right in time for the holidays. So if you're into that gifting mode right now, I would get it on the sale. The packaging is so pretty. I'm gonna get one for my mom and my sister-in-law. I just feel like they will love it so much, and it's a little bit extra and a little bit more special. I'm excited. This one I'm keeping for myself. Right. So next we have a Christian Dior set. This is stunning. This is what I have wanted for a very long time. And I thought, you know what, now's the time to pick it up. And it is gorgeous, you guys. This is the J'adore. I have seen the commercials of gorgeous Charlize Theron walking around with her gorgeous perfume on and just thinking, you know what, I've got to try this gorgeous perfume. It is amazing. I feel like it has the most fresh, but it has like a punch to it. I mean, it's not like a super subtle sort of perfume. It is amazing. I did get a couple samples over the years, and I've always gone back to, I would love full-size bottles of these, and during the sale was the time for me to go for it. I'm glad I picked these up. So next, I picked up this little cutie. 'Tis the season. I picked up the spiced pumpkin, and these are amazing hand sanitizers by Touchland. They have so many amazing fragrances, and they're just so good. That is amazing, you guys. Pick this one up for fall. So good. $10 normally, and then of course the sale is going to give you an additional 20% off. All right, so next I told you this was the year of the blushes. So I picked this one up by Laura Mercier. This is in the shade Passion Fruit. And this just looked beautiful online. Let's see what it looks like in real life. Ooh, that really does look gorgeous. All right, I need to try this. Ooh, what do you guys think? That is so pretty. I'm excited about this. I can't wait to put this on my face. So I did pick up this beauty blender set because I always need beauty blenders. And so here I have 3 really pretty beauty blenders, and it has a little stand here. Let's see if I can open it up. And it also comes with a beauty blender soap, which is amazing. And then let's see what this, oh, that's really cute. So here is the gold stand that you can put your beauty blender on. This is an amazing set by Buxom. I had to pick this one up. It just screamed girly vibes. It's called the Babe Collection. This is an $89 value. It's on sale for $50, and then the additional Sephora savings event is going to give you an even bigger discount on this. So if you're interested for gifts, this would be amazing. But it has 5 pieces here. That I love that you get your glosses, some cream, and a really nice plumping lip liner. It just looks like it's got all the things. So I hope you enjoyed this part 2 Sephora savings event haul. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me. I've enjoyed hanging out with you. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, and I would love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye friends.